Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, April 3rd, 2023. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's weather: high of 79, low of 71. Thunderstorm, 52% chance of rain. Today's birthdays: April 1st, Cameron Finch. April 2nd, Derace Williams. April 3rd, Louis Nasher. Happy birthday, guys. Today's announcement: ACAT Summitive. We have been so proud of how hard almost all of our students have worked on their ACAT reading test. Most of the students took their time, focused on their test, and read carefully. Way to go. Now keep it up this week as we begin the math test. Be sure to use that scratch paper. As a reminder, if you are testing and there are students that testing with a small group that are not testing at the same time you are, please find a place for them to go before you come to the test checkout area. Late duty. Today is Miss Thomas. Important dates: April 7th, third quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice Spring picnic. April 17th to the 21st, spring break, no school. April 27th, archery field trip. April 28th, D-Bakey drug bus. May 1st to the 5th, book fair. May 10th, Sunnyside Theater. May 11th, graduation walk at 10 o'clock. May 16th, pre-K and kindergarten program, 1 o'clock. May 17th, Kona Ice. Congratulations to I already started the week. Top kindergarten through first, Miss Shaver class. Top to second to third, Miss Kirk class. Top fourth and fifth, Miss Archer, Miss Garnett class. It was a tie. Our top kindergarten through first grade student, Kalia Pittaway, 8 lesson class, Miss Clark class. Top to second to third, Astrid Ardusnes Madon 18 lesson pass, Miss Shepherd class. Top 4th to 5th student, Cherish Monfuleria, 10 lesson pass, Miss Bertolino class. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.